YouTube, anything like me, you're hearing a little rattling noise while your exhaust is going. I've got the duals split off, and this is an exhaust insulator. It's a rubber mount. Well, you can go to your local parts store and get them to change it out, but I think I paid $6 for advance. It's a 35229. Holy shit, it's not made in China, made in India, whatever. Anyway, we got 3 of these insulators on each side. We got one back here. You can see it, there's one in the middle hanging up the Flowmaster, and then if we can get up in there, there's one down here at the end right behind the cab. That's just on one side. You've also got one up there, and then you've got 2 on that side as well. So I've been hearing a lot of rattling, and it's just got a lot of play. Get up in here, mounts tore in the center right there, just from hanging down and moving, and it's gonna put more strain on the other ones as well. But what we're gonna do, we put some WD-40 on here. We're gonna take a pair of channel locks, and we're just gonna pull this sucker right off. Okay, now I'm back. And what you want to do is I'm just wiggling it off here. Grab your channel locks, wiggle it off of it. I got it in the center. Got the bottom down here. Let me get you some light. See, I got it over the tip of it. It's basically just a stopper to stop the mount from coming off the hook. So yeah, that one's pretty worn out. It was ripped down at the bottom from that hook there in the center, side by side. And this is a universal one. I got it advanced. It's 3.5 inches. So just measure your old one. It says it'll work for a Silverado, so depends on a short base or a long base truck. Long bed, excuse me. Alright. I had a lot of trouble trying to get this on. I just used some WD-40, but I wedged it in between here with the channel locks and just got it to slip over. So now I'm going to get it on, get it up there. I got to try to hold it while I slip it on here. Find a way to get it on. And get my hand up here, brace my fingers up here on the frame, and just push. Push. Bam! Got it. Nope. Nope. Dropped my light, sorry. It's not moving near like it was. I think I pushed it a little far. Okay. There we go. Alright. Another successful job done. You guys like it? Hit like. Thank you.